Welcome to Beautyistic. You know, there's something magical about the holidays, whether it's the cozy vibes, festive outfits, or the makeup that makes us feel extra special. But when it comes to holiday gifting, there's one thing we all want, something that really works and makes us feel our best. Today, I've got something that promises to do just that, and I can't wait to share it with you. We're taking a closer look at the KIKO Milano Snow-Kissed Holiday Mountain Buddies Makeup Gift Set. It's not just any holiday gift set, it's a duo of KIKO's most popular lip gloss and a high-performance volumizing mascara. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on honest reviews and expert beauty tips. This gift set is designed for anyone looking to elevate their makeup game with two standout products, the 3D Hydra lip gloss and a volumizing mascara with a maxi applicator. The lip gloss promises to give that perfect glossy finish while delivering hydration, definitely a must-have in this winter season. And the mascara? It's built to make your lashes bold, full, and volumized, with the extra oomph of a maxi applicator to coat every lash. I love that this set is all about creating those festive, glowy looks effortlessly, especially for anyone who loves to add a little extra sparkle around the holidays. But how do these products stack up in real-world testing? Let's start with the lip gloss. I used it throughout the day and I was pretty impressed with how well it hydrated my lips. You know how glosses can sometimes be sticky or heavy? This one felt smooth and comfortable, without any of that dreaded stickiness. The shine it provides is definitely noticeable, and it lasted for a good amount of time without needing constant reapplications. If you've been looking for a gloss that gives you both that sleek, glossy finish and a little moisture, this one delivers. As for the mascara, I'm usually pretty picky when it comes to volumizing formulas, but this one really impressed me. The brush is large and it took a little getting used to, but once I did, it was so easy to build volume. It didn't clump or flake throughout the day, which I loved. And the lashes? Full, thick, and separated in the best way possible. This mascara is a winner if you want a dramatic lash look without the heavy feel. When it comes to packaging, the set is festive and well-designed, perfect for gifting or treating yourself. The products feel high quality, and the design reflects the luxury that KIKO Milano is known for. In terms of pros, both products are versatile. The gloss works well with just about any makeup look, whether you're going for a natural vibe or something more glam. And the mascara is perfect for adding volume without that too thick, overdone look. But it's not all perfect. Let's talk cons. The lip gloss, while hydrating, could be a bit more long-lasting. It's definitely a gloss you'll need to reapply after eating or drinking. And the mascara, while it gives beautiful volume, if you're looking for length, this might not be the one for you. So, how does this set measure up in terms of value? Given the high-quality performance of both products, I'd say it's priced fairly for what you're getting. If you've ever tried KIKO Milano before, you know they're great at delivering premium products without the luxury price tag. Let's quickly touch on product alternatives. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly lip gloss, brands like NYX or Maybelline offer solid options with similar textures and finishes at a lower price point. And for mascara, L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise has a similar volumizing effect, but is generally more affordable. Now, before we wrap up, if this review is helping you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making these honest reviews. And if you're itching to try this set out, the link to grab it is in the comments below. When it comes to KIKO Milano's Snow-Kissed Holiday Mountain Buddies Makeup Gift Set, I have to say, it's a great gift idea or a little treat for yourself. The gloss delivers the shine and hydration we all crave, and the mascara really adds that wow factor with full, volumized lashes. If you're into a more natural, glossy lip and bold lashes, this set has you covered. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you've tried this set or any other KIKO Milano products. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.